Okay, what we want to be able to do in this short video is to, number one, be able to understand the motion of an object from a distance time graph. dt graph is distance time graph. That's the first thing. The second thing is we want to be able to use the distance time graph to be able to calculate the speed of an object. Okay. So the first thing is to understand the motion. There's three possible things that we could see happening on a distance time graph. The first thing is you could see a flat line like I've shown here. So a flat line, that could be something like a distance of 5 meters over a certain amount of time. And what that means is that an object is stationary. In other words, it hasn't moved or it's stopped. Okay, that's the first thing. The second thing is that we could see that we've got a straight line that's going up. It could be going up or it could be coming down. Okay. So if we had a straight line coming up, that would be a steady speed. That would be a constant speed, okay? Constant speed or a constant velocity is another way of saying it. So for example, this could be something like 5 meters per second, but it would be 5 meters per second from the start to the end of that straight line, okay? Now, like I was saying, this line could also be coming down. And if it was coming down, it might look something like that, okay? And this could be another 5 meters per second, but this time it would be negative because it's coming down, okay? But we'll get more into that later on. The other thing that could be happening is we could have a curve. So if you've got a curve coming up like this, or any kind of a curve on a distance time graph, that corresponds to something called an acceleration, okay? So that's an acceleration. And we haven't really got into what acceleration is just yet, but I can tell you now, acceleration is basically either speeding up, slowing down, or changing direction, okay? So we'll get more into that as time goes by, but what I'd like you to do now is just see if you can apply those three rules to the examples below, okay? Thank you.